I'm sure you all know about DeepSeek R1. If not, let me set the context for you. When Sam Altman and Mark Zuckerberg are busy in party, at that time, China released DeepSeek R1 and they are comparing it with OpenAI's latest 1.0 model. If you are not shocked yet, let me tell you, according to the benchmark, DeepSeek R1 is even better than ChatGPT 1.0 model. 1.0 model of the ChatGPT is the latest and smartest version of it, and it costs $200. Benchmark shows that both AI is quite close in performance. As you can see on the screen, DeepSeek R1 is better in some of the mathematics and engineering problems. If you want same performance from DeepSeek R1 like ChatGPT 1.0 model, then you have to select the DeepSeek R1 32B, which will give you the same performance as OpenAI ChatGPT 1.0 model. DeepSeek R1 is built on MIT licensed chain of thought model, in which it will improve by thinking on its own. We will do a head-to-head comparison between ChatGPT and DeepSeek R1. Let's go to the computer screen and see it. Let's open ChatGPT and DeepSeek R1 on the computer screen. We'll split screen into parts so we can compare it side by side. I have written this prompt in Notepad. I'll paste the same prompt in both the AI, and we will also check that which AI will do it first. Let's click on generate. Both the website has created it, and now we will check it in the VS Code. After running it, let's open the VS Code now. Here we will create a file. Both the file has been created. Now let's paste the code from here. In the ChatGPT code already we are getting an error. Let me fix it first. Now both the code is looking fine. Structure is also okay. Now let's run the code and we will check the functionality of it. On the left side, we run the code which is generated by ChatGPT, and on the right side, it is generated by DeepSeek R1. Now let's check both are properly working or not. When we will click on rock, it should show rock your choice, computer's choice, result. Okay, the score of computer is also increasing here. It's working perfectly fine. The interface is more or less same of both the code. Now let's check the DeepSeek R1 output. It's looking little bit better. When we generated the code from both AI, the code which is generated by ChatGPT, there is little bit error there. There are two errors, but the code which we generated from DeepSeek R1, there are no errors in that. The front end which is created by DeepSeek R1 is also better and appealing to the users. Both AIs are improving rapidly because DeepSeek R1 is open source. I think it will improve rapidly than ChatGPT.